A professor named Mr. Joney decided to conduct an in-depth study on cockroaches. With a laboratory table full of experimental tools and cockroaches ready, he began testing his theory. In the first stage, Mr. Joney cut off one of the cockroach's legs. He tapped the table and said, "Walk." The cockroach walked, albeit limping. Excitedly, the professor recorded his findings. A cockroach can still walk even with one leg cut off. Then, he cut off the second leg of the cockroach. "Walk," he said again while tapping the table. The cockroach kept walking, though much more slowly. It can still walk even with two legs cut off. In the next stage, he cut off another leg, leaving only 3 legs. He tapped the table again and said, "Walk." Surprisingly, the cockroach still moved, though with great difficulty. The professor seriously noted, a cockroach can still move even with only 3 legs left. Finally, in the last stage, Mr. Joney cut off all of the cockroach's legs. Confidently, he tapped the table and said, "Walk." However, this time, the cockroach did not move at all. He waited for several minutes, tapped the table harder, and even shouted, "Walk, cockroach, walk!" But the cockroach remained still. After careful observation, Mr. Joney finally reached his conclusion with full confidence. When all of a cockroach's legs are cut off, it becomes deaf.